Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to deposit money into Trust Wallet from your bank account. First, you need to understand that you cannot send money directly from your bank account to Trust Wallet. You need to use a centralized exchange as a middle step. A popular example is Binance. Start by opening your account on Binance. If you do not have an account yet, create one and complete the verification process. After that, deposit money from your bank account into Binance. You can do this using bank transfer, card payment, or any payment method available in your country. Once the money is in your Binance account, use it to buy a cryptocurrency. A common option is USDT, which is a stablecoin. Enter the amount you want to buy and confirm the purchase. Now you have crypto in your Binance wallet. Next, open Trust Wallet on your phone. On the main screen, tap on the Fund button. On the next screen, select Binance as your exchange. Then choose the currency you want to transfer, for example, USDT. After selecting the currency, you will be redirected to Binance. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send to your Trust Wallet. Check the details carefully, including the network and wallet address. When everything looks correct, tap Confirm. Wait for the transaction to process. After a short time, the funds will appear in your Trust Wallet. That is how you deposit money from your bank account into Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching.